If you want to customize your algorithm on Instagram, here's how to do it. First, open Instagram and go to your profile page. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner to open your settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Content Preferences. After that, select your algorithm. From here, you can customize the type of content Instagram recommends to you. If you want to see more of a certain topic, tap the plus icon next to that category. You can also manually add topics or interests you want Instagram to recommend more often. You'll also find options to reduce content you don't want to see. Simply add topics or video types you're not interested in, and Instagram will adjust your recommendations over time. Once you finish updating your preferences, Instagram will slowly personalize your feed, reels, and suggested posts based on the topics you selected. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.